Tana teotani.
Mumiame no bi yagbon.
Akin makin ari gaza gaza.
Mumiame no bi yokena.
Akin na no ma wu anya na bo.
Wa re ki eso.
It's not God.
No say man no dig but for me fear me go na kai no la me egura me oko no an guy no ade kokedi
The battle is strong.
Enye no go e wu kan we dey mana fu bi
distributed by Entertainment Limited.
You are put your papa there for front, follow your mama. Look at come over from my house. I found for you today.
You were pass come the road. You jam.
Me jam. I be at the jam.
After you have in your car.
I am talking to you now. You look me boy. Is that you where you greeted your papa for us? There
if someone come out, he can fit that. There you are that. Why you you body no set you. You are close to me now. Hey, somebody want now. Dead body, spirit, resurrect from grave.
Not the pepper. I go marry with you. You hear that? I saw it. So what you're working? You are wanting to send me market.
Wait for come back. So that we will want to talk waiting for you people. How can you people you for?
We are waiting for you. People come together to understood you we are.
If teeth is dead teeth, you can fit do juju put.
Jesus.
People are stop talk to see me. What is the problem? Are you talk finish? You will not be that bad. Don't away. Go to them. Isaac was there.
Isaac is working on the
Ugari Anointed Entertainment International Company Limited.
Godfather of Edu Comedy.
There is something bothering me.
What is it?
I love to hear your voice. Anytime you talk to me, it gives me joy. I want to ask you a question.
I'm not yes.
Do you feel the same way I feel for you? Do you love me the same way I love you?
Wella, look, don't be weighed down by inferiority complex. In you, I see a distinctive being, a woman that is pure in heart. Let me shock you. I know I haven't told you this before. I have concluded that we are going to spend the rest of our lives together.
I love you also. But my fears and worries is that I don't know if your parents will accept me.
Well, please don't be worried about those things. Don't be carried away. Look, whatever I say is what my parents are going to accept. And besides, I'm their only son, heir apparent to the throne. They have never in any way argued about whatever my choice of anything is. Look, let me tell you. From the look of things, the way my mom has been talking about you, I think he likes you.
Really?
Yeah. You see, I have to go now. Maybe towards in the evening I'll see you again, or rather you come and see me.
Take care, bye-bye.
Burying the life is a doom, sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods. Burying the life is a doom, sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods. Burying the life is a doom, sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods. Burying the life is a doom, sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods. Burying the life is a doom, sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods. Burying the life is a doom, sacrilege.
Like what is happening in this land? My ears have failed up. I can't stand it in front of the ancestors. That our girls are being impregnated, giving birth to children that do not have fathers. We can mutate their fathers. It may rain. No, say the gods forbid.
I greet you all, my fellow Christians. Welcome. My king, may you live long. I want to use this opportunity to thank Chief Ibiwe for what he has done to my doctor. Ever since my doctor put to bed, he has never shown any concern. Chief Ibiwe, I want to let you know today that when it's time, Yakama Wewe Obukun actually bring it on top.
Ebose, you don't get up by it. Ebose, come, let me tell you. If your daughter, you don't know who impregnated her, instead of you transferring aggression on anybody in this village, you better keep your mouth shut. I can't tell the girl who will tell the girl. You better keep your mouth shut.
Are you talking to me?
Why won't I talk to you? Why won't I talk to you? Should I be afraid of you? How will they know that?
Are you insulting me?
Who are you? I can insult you if I feel like insulting you. Who are you?
Are you out of your mind?
Who do you think you are? Why won't I insult you? Just remind me.
Are you talking to me?
Why won't I talk to you? Are you my creator?
Ibiwe.
Are you my creator? What do you think?
Stupid man.
Why are you?
Why is that
I'm a stupid man.
Do you want us to start it this way?
And I'm ready for you.
Do you want us to start it this way? Who are you? Who are you? Are you sure you are not doing that?
Sit down. Sit down.
Are you mad?
Sit down.
If you are you mad, let me talk to you.
You sit down.
You must be mad.
Me mad.
You must be mad. If it were me,
I'm ready for you.
start talking to me.
Sit down.
We shall see. We shall see. I will know who you are. Very soon I'll get to you. Don't worry. Very soon I'll get to you. I want to know who you are.
Think you are. Who are you?
Okay, man, I like you. All right. It is okay. We shall see.
That is enough. Say that. That is enough. Just take a look at both of you. What you have done secretly has become a storm in the council. You should be ashamed of yourself. Both of you. Ebosa and Ibiwe. Akakenekwe amuwa. Atakwati said. Opakara.
Wait a minute. It's like I can sense something in what you are saying. Are you trying to tell me that Ibiwe has been sleeping with his daughter for some time?
No. It's not what you think.
What is it?
It is his son, not Ibiwe.
Oh.
Yeah.
See, I thought Ibiwe was sleeping with his daughter.
Wonderful.
I was surprised, not knowing that it's the son he's talking about.
Yes.
What has that got to do with the issue that is on ground? Come, you useless man. You are very useless. Is it now that you have to thank him when we have an important issue that we are discussing on ground?
You imagine that?
Has the king not been in this community for so long?
No.
We the elders, have we not been in this village? No. Who did you report to? Now that we have important issues on ground that we are discussing, you are coming up with this useless, forsaken issue of yours. My brother, be warned. Never bring out this issue here again. Never bring it up again. Because this is the gathering of noblemen. I am warning you. I am warning you, my brother. Don't ever repeat such thing again in this gathering. I am warning you. Be warned.
It's not because we're
useless. We are discussing something very important. You are coming up.
A hand of applause. A hand of applause.
Keep on applauding. Keep on applauding.
I am beginning to sense a conspiracy right now.
Who's conspiring with this? Who? Who's conspiring?
Chief Edo,
I am listening.
you went and conspired with this useless chief to bring me down in this community.
Is this issue the one we have on ground?
Let me tell you.
I'm not contesting anything.
Let me tell you. I am a done. Or Kinyamu where you bet him. Who could not be bagua.
Mr. Ebosa, you say that there?
Yeah, I feel bad.
That is true.
Something council of
Two. He went on the Kewelabian. Go on down and make it. Is that what you are supposed to be saying in this place?
What's that?
We have an issue that we are ironing. You came up with this useless issue of yours.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. I wish I deal with it. That is not the big way. What do you think you are? It's okay. It's okay. Let me talk to this useless man.
No, not that. Please. You don't get a talk by him.
He said.
If you really come to think of it, it's a taboo. Abua. If we must caution anybody, it's no other person than the Biwe son. Because what that boy is doing in this village is very obvious. Very obvious. If he is not cautioned very well, that boy will rape all these children in this village.
You are very correct.
My friend, sit down there if you don't have any reasonable thing to say.
Me sit down.
Sit down if you don't have any reasonable thing.
Me myself.
See what he says.
Me Oria.
Madman.
Me madman.
Yeah, you are mad. Is that the issue?
Reasonable.
No, that's not people. Yes.
Madman.
Sit down if you don't have any reasonable thing.
It's okay. It's okay.
You come and sit down. You sit down. Sit down.
Sit down.
That way better you should say. You realize what you are saying?
You are talking to me.
Then what you?
If I have any reasonable thing.
If I lose temper, I will deal with you.
Who do you think you are?
You can tell me.
I heard of all this thing.
Enoki Atokwe, I greet you, my elders. Why are we all referring to a Ibiwe? Why? How to think of Who does not have a male child among us? Am I not a man? Are you not a man?
I'm a man.
Likewise.
Of course.
Correct. We should be talking to us, not to beat around the bush.
You be talking to me. Wonderful. Huh? To me. Wonderful. They insult me. Huh? If not because they know he's sitting right here, I would have showed him what.
It's okay.
Round thing, I think they don't have made children.
Is that enough? Is that the bone of contention here?
Enough.
Understand?
Enough.
I thought we'll do it.
It's a pity. I never knew this is what you are going to come with. Is this the reason why we are gathered here?
No, of course.
I never expected this from you all. What is happening?
I am tired.
Huh? Ibiwe and the Bosa issue. It's far behind us.
Thank you, my Nogi.
It's a thing of the past. Why are we stressing ourselves over past issues?
No.
I can say.
You don't know what I've been saying.
My judgment stands. Whoever impregnates a girl and denies should be ready to swear before the gods.
That is it.
We are ready.
That is all I want.
I'm ready. I'm not shying away from it. What's that? I'm not.
And anyone who impregnates a girl and agrees but fails to marry her shall be castrated. So shall it be. I have spoken. So says the ancestors.
Bringing submissions that is not can't do anything.
You see, my council of elders, to the way they are acting, I don't know.
Okay, ma talk by. I won't give my talk by. Wala mobi.
You look radiant this morning.
Thank you, Yanis. Our wife, how are you? I'm fine, ma. And you too, ma. I'm fine. Mommy, where is the I want to say your brother. Is he? He has gone to the bush to fetch some leaves. Oh, all right, ma. Excuse me.
I think she's going to join me.
Yes, this girl is very nice. I believe she's God sent to our son.
Exactly, my love. You see, I like her doing. This is the girl our son is going to get married to. Oh, thanks to the gods for having such a girl as our son's wife to be. Like I was saying, the elders.
Who is this? No. Don't say anything. I feel the fragrance and I smell it. This is the good smell of my dear Waila.
How did you know that was the one?
Why wouldn't I know? Even if you
100 miles far away from here.
I have been with you. I'm familiar with you to the extent that even if you have to walk 100 miles away from here, I will still know you passed through here. So, where... You came in, though?
Yes.
Well, this is one thing I don't like about you. You know how dangerous it is to walk alone in this bush? I don't like it.
Is there anything wrong for me to walk alone in the forest?
It's not that there's something wrong, but one thing you should know is that I so much love you that I don't want anything to hurt you. Neither do I want you to fall into the hands of those bad boys around this bush. You know what they can do.
Nothing will happen. I went to your house. Your mom told me you went to the bush to pluck some leaf. I can't wait. I decided to join you because I know where I normally come to pluck some leaves.
Well, see, don't come and kill me. I love you. And I know how precious you are to me. I don't want a situation whereby one day they'll give my enemies bad news about you. I don't like it.
You know I was missing you now.
I missed you too. In case of next time, if you didn't see me, just stay back. Anytime I'm through with what I'm doing, I will also join you. You just stay at home. I will come. Eh?
Thank you, Yeze.
Okay, you know what? Help me out so that we can leave early. Always plug the lever and all that. The rope, remove it then. The fresh one, separate the fresh one from the one that has holes. So, how is your sister?
She's fine.
I was even thinking towards the evening I would come to see you.
My dear, this would have been a good talk. But you know you just missed your period. How will it happen?
Mama, should I go and terminate it now?
No, you can't terminate it. That is even a quick action to the game. It helps a lot.
Really?
Yes.
In what way?
If only she can just meet with that young man once, just once, then he cannot deny that he's not the owner of the pregnancy. You are a woman.
Of course.
You can enlighten her on how to seduce a man. After that, just leave the rest to me, Akpata. Akpata, leave the rest to me.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
Anyway, I want to see one of the elders. But talk with her very well. Eh? All right. Teach her very well. Teach her very well. All right.
Okay, Dad. Bye.
Go well.
Hey, Mama.
Yes.
That is true. So, I will now be the first woman, even if he still married Wala. I'm happy. But Mama, how am I going to do it?
Shut up! Are you not a woman? Who taught you how to make love in the first case that make you pregnant?
If rat has not fallen into hot water, it will never know that there are two types of water found in the world. Don't go and look for your husband. Let them put you into trouble.
Amadi, shut up!
The end shall tell.
I said shut up! Who called you into this? Wait
for
me! I said wait for me!
Yes! That woman is so wicked.
She is. She wanted to fight me at the river yesterday.
Really? That woman, I will deal with her one day.
Good afternoon.
Well, come here. Where are you coming from? Where have you been this morning?
I'm coming from Prince Ayoze's house. I followed him to their farm.
Why do you not tell me before you go?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. I've been looking for you this morning. I can't find you.
I'm sorry.
Anyway, I don't have your time now. Go inside and wait for me.
I'm sorry.
I am beginning to wonder if your sister is already married to Ayoze.
That is not true, my dear.
Just look at the way she is. Look at how they are stressing her. Are you not observing her? She's a human being.
What you I say, I'll be talking and talking. She don't want to listen to me. There's a proverb in Benin that says, you know how I go and go.
Oh, I pity her. I pity her very much. Anyway, I want to be on my way.
Thank you, my friend.
Yes, agony in the land of the gods, buried alive. It's a doom, sacrilege. Yes, agony in the land of the gods, buried alive. It's a doom, sacrilege. Yes, agony in the land of the gods, buried alive. It's a doom, sacrilege. Yes, agony in the land of the gods, buried alive. It's a doom, sacrilege.
Oh, queen of our time. See, let me tell you something. You don't have to kill yourself because of that monster. I know whoever that make a trap with an antelope is expecting a great animal. You don't deserve to go and kill yourself or destroy yourself because of one so-called kingdom. Let me ask you, what will be your benefit if the boy not disappoint you tomorrow? Because such a royal person, many eyes are on him. And also, if you are forgetting in a hurry, you are an orphan. And you cannot fight people who are well-to-do. Just choose now and enjoy your life with me. As you can see, I am one of the vibrant youth in this village. I have everything that takes to make you my wife, and you will never regret it.
Are you true? Nonsense.
Is that all you have to say? What's the meaning of this? Vibrant youth. Do you even have the courage to approach Uwela?
What do you not gain? Anyway, you tried your best.
Thank you. Thank you. You know I tried my best. Look at you. You are here laughing. Have you ever approached any girl in this community? You have not made any move to approach any girl in this village since I know you. You are here laughing. You should be giving me the praise. Not just ordinary person in this village. Uwela. A girl that has been proposed to Eyoze, the Enoge son. You are very stupid for laughing at me.
Oh, you know.
Evil people. You are very stupid.
What's so funny, guys? And what is the laugh all about?
Ask him.
My friend.
Yes, I'm hearing you.
It was Sally that was approaching Uwala. She looked down on him and walked away.
Yeah, your wife.
Exactly.
Is she married to him?
You have to be very careful.
Careful about what? Did you attend the marriage ceremony? To be careful. Is Uwala not a female? I have the courage to approach Uwala. So you people should be applauding me. Look at you laughing. Evil people, get away. See, let me tell you, you will remain like this, and that's my prayer for you. See, I have the courage to approach Uwala, and now you are laughing. You cannot find any girl for yourself. You will remain like this.
I will keep on laughing at you.
Keep on laughing. Idiot, wicked, stupid, evil people.
Buried alive, it's a tomb, sacrilege, yes, agony in the land of the gods. Buried alive, it's a tomb, sacrilege, yes.
Oh, my prince. My prince.
That's okay.
Yes.
What are you doing in my house at this time of the day?
I'm just walking, so I came to see you.
This is strange of you.
Not at all. So, my prince, how is your parents?
They're okay, they have gone to sleep. I just want to relax before going.
My prince, how that you were sick? How is it now?
I'm okay. Truly speaking, I almost died. But thanks to my ancestors, I'm still alive.
I reject it. God forbid.
Yeah?
You will not die.
Amen.
I reject it again. You will not die.
I won't.
That is my prince smiling. Wow. My prince, you are always fond of sick.
This is one thing I don't like about you. How would you say I'm fond of sick. People can get sick at any time.
Somebody like me don't sick. Yes. Just take a look at me. Take a look at me. From my head to toe. You don't look like somebody that has sickness. Take a look at me.
I didn't say you have sickness on your body.
My prince, let's go inside. I also did tell you.
See, whatever you want to say, you can say it here.
Are you a baby?
I am not, but you can say it here.
No. Let's go inside. Please. I also did to present to you of which you like.
See, wait now. You come and sit down first. I'll be talking.
Ah, my prince. Are you chasing me out of your house?
I'm not.
So, come on. Let's go.
Wait now. Okay, if people don't see you in my house, what would they say?
There's nobody here. They're seeing us. Let's go. Please.
Mom, frankly speaking, what you people did was very wrong. How dare you not ask her to go and seduce the son of the king?
Oh, my son, you are still a kid who don't know how deep a road is. Don't you know Eliezer is going to be the next king after the death of his father? It is good for your sister to be the first woman who will bear a child for him before another woman. Let me ask you a question. Won't you want to relate to a royal home?
Mom,
yes, please.
For that now, the boy will not be forced into undesirable marriage. How can he now marry a girl that he does not want in his life? Mom, what you know is not good for you. Don't do it to others.
My son, I am your mother. Besides, I am in position to tell you what life is. This is a royal issue. Let your sister have this opportunity so that we will now be respected as a royal one and be living fine.
What does that supposed to mean, Mama? Mom, I'm asking you, what does that supposed to mean? Are you not saying people who are not from royal does not live fine?
Whom are you shouting at? Whom are you shouting at? I'm asking you, Amadi. Whom are you shouting at now?
Mom, you have to know the truth. I'm telling you the truth. You have to accept the truth, Mama. I know that the truth is bitter.
Go and sleep.
Yes, I'm going.
Listen to me, Mama. There's an adage that say in Benin, I hope you know that.
Go and sleep.
Mama, I'm telling you the truth.
Go and sleep.
You need to accept the truth.
Let me tell you, whether you like it or not, I must be part of royal family in this village. In this village, I must be a part. I've said mine.
Sacrilege, tears, agony in the land of the gods, buried alive.
Come, my beautiful daughter. Don't look at anybody's face before you give me the right answer. Is this not the boy that impregnated you?
Yes, Papa. Yes.
Okay. What are we still talking about? Eh? Why are we trying to turn things around? It says, Oku, all Vinyeyomo. Am I not right?
Yes. Again. My elders, I greet you.
Thank you very much.
You don't get up, man. My daughter, are you very sure that this young man, my son, is the person that impregnated you? Look at him very well. Are you very sure? The reason why I'm asking you is
What? Am I blind?
Blind.
Not to know who impregnated me.
Alright. You are blind. You are really blind. Who is this to impregnate a girl?
Don't say that.
Let us hear from the horse's mouth.
Don't say that.
You better speak to us. Talk to us, let us hear from you.
I'm totally.
I told you, he's innocent.
Where get
I just accuse him wrongly. My brother,
We are
Carry
listening.
on, carry on. I greet you on my elders.
Thank you.
No get at all.
He said,
I'm totally innocent of this. It's not even up to a month we started the relationship. It's there not to impregnate a
Shut up your mouth!
It's my son.
I said shut up your mouth!
What will you know? What will
If a man sleep with a woman once, is that not enough to have twins?
Even triplets.
Thank you.
Triplets.
Thank you.
You cannot tell my son to shut up his mouth when his father is sitting right there.
Sit down.
When his father is sitting right there, you can't
Sit down there and let me talk.
And you don't have the right.
Sit down there.
You don't have the right to tell me to do that.
Well, you have started again.
Am I mad?
What? You have started again.
Am I mad?
You are a stupid man.
Sit down. Stupid man is that.
Bury the
You must be a
light.
stupid man.
It's okay.
If you wait, you better be careful. You better be careful. You better be careful.
Look at him crossing his
Who are you?
Look.
Who are you to be challenging me? I will give you a test. I will give you a test. Who are you to be challenging me? Who is this to be challenging me all the time? Why must you be challenging me all the time? Who are you? You are man.
The truth will surely come out.
It is true that
It is okay.
it is true that
Go and sit down.
Look at this stupid man. Look at this stupid man.
Look at the truth of this
stupid
matter.
man.
Wait,
You don't have right to ask
If you
for
were be
something.
careful,
the truth will surely
if you
come out.
were be careful,
Who do you think you are?
Sit down, my
Ebo
brother.
said,
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, my brother. The truth will surely come out in this. My brother, I'm still asking you.
As I was saying, my elders, this is not the first time we have been hearing stories about this useless boy in this community.
Look at him now. Look at him calling my
He will
son.
let this one.
Why should he call my son a useless boy before his father? Calling my son a useless son before his father.
A boy can't be.
He don't have the right.
Now-
He don't have the right.
Oh, come here.
I know when I gave birth to this man.
Now-
Why should he call my son useless?
If you take a close look at his eyes, you will all agree with me that this boy has nothing doing. He has no other job doing rather than impregnating our little girls in this community. I'm assuring you and your father that on this issue you will never go free. You will never go free.
Is that a threat? Is that a threat or what?
With this, my king, let the law stand.
It is the law and it must take its course.
Thank you.
Is that a threat or what?
Shut up your mouth.
Look at then ask me to shut up.
Okay. Shut up your dirty mouth.
Can you please? You can't do anything.
I will get you.
My son knows nothing about what we are saying. This hatred, this total allegation.
Say no.
You go down.
I don't need to ask any question.
Can he define allegation?
Am I not the father? Am I not the father?
Can this stupid man define hatred?
Where the deed was done. Were you there?
But he accepted that.
It's okay.
What is going on? What is happening? It's a pity. Let us not know that which is right and says is wrong.
Thank you, my king.
They will not.
Ibiwe. Oh, sometimes we should be ashamed of ourselves when it comes to certain issues. Your son just admitted the person in question has already said that he had a relationship with the said girl.
Yes.
My king, this is false allegation.
Hello. My people. Now, Koko. Nagati ororo. Going out with a girl for a night can make that girl pregnant for even 1, 2, triplets.
Yes,
even 4.
That is it. That is it. You are right.
Yes, my son. Sorry. These are words of your fathers.
Yes.
Believe it. My judgment is, we have it on ground that anyone who impregnates a girl shall get that girl married. Thereby, he denies the right of the girl, shall swear before the gods.
That is it.
And if he refuses to swear, he will be castrated.
That's all.
That has been the law. Tell it.
For this, my son, you shall get married to this girl within 1 week.
That is it. You know, get talk with it.
Failure to do so, you will be castrated.
That is the law.
More blessing to you, my king.
So be it.
Final.
Gods of the land.
He will swear. If he fails to swear, I will swear.
That is it.
I am the father. I will swear. That has been the law of this land. It's my son. Take your son. Go and ask him a question. Talk to your son and ask him some question. I will swear. You are a man. You behave like a
Sacrilege, yes, agony in the land of the gods. Buried alive, is a doom. Sacrilege, yes, agony in the land of the
Long live my prince.
The beautiful ebony queen of our kingdom. Aaron, the pretty ebony black. The woman that I've always dreamed of. That somehow, someday, the palace will be her abode. So, how are you doing today?
I'm fine.
Where are you going to?
Wait a minute. What did you just call me?
I called you a pretty woman who will eventually become a wife to the king.
My head is not strong enough. Please. Do you know you are every woman's pride? And I cannot compete with any of them.
One thing you should know is that just the way my father is building his own empire, his kingdom, I'm the prince. Somehow, someday, I will take over from him. And as a prince, I'm entitled to so many women in my kingdom. And I deem it fit that you will be part of the enjoyment.
Don't tell me you are joking.
I am not joking. With me, you are sure of enjoyment. With me, you are sure of that pride, self-esteem, accolades from other women in this kingdom. With me, everything you can think of in life will be achieved.
Oh, now I see. Do you know that everybody in this village know the woman you are proposing to marry?
Yes, I'm not denying that fact. You should also know that just the way I'm talking to her, I'm also talking to you, so that when I become the next king, eventually 2 of you will be with me on the day of the coronation. That's exactly what I'm saying.
With you indeed. Long live my prince. As I said, I can't compete with any woman. I take my leave.
Are you rejecting my offer or what?
Not really, my prince. I'm sorry.
Am I just being rejected or what?
Why is at home? Who is in? Are people not in this house?
Akbata.
Long may you reign. Long may you reign. I am bringing you this kola nut which the ancestors have accepted. I hope too you will accept it from me.
Akbata. You cannot seem to amaze me. Air out the parable.
My king, did you have just entered into my house? My daughter is pregnant. This is why I brought this kola nut for you.
Your own daughter. Pregnant.
Pregnant.
Good. Say good news. Akpata. It shall be well with you.
He said,
I rejoice with you and your household. Extend my greetings to your in-laws. Tell them it shall be well with them.
That is very correct. Long may you reign, my king. You are the father-in-law in question.
Stop it! Stop it, Akpata! Akpata, have you come to damn me? Have you come to damn my intelligence?
Not really, my king.
Akpata.
Not really, my king.
Akpata, let me tell you this. If you think you can come here to form funny stories as you do in this village, no, it's not going to work. Whatever lies you've come to tell me, Akpata, I tell you, it will not work. Akpata, let it not be that you are lying against my son. If I should find out, you will see the other side of me. You will see the other side of me, Akpata. Don't let me think.
Good day, Father.
That you... Yourself.
Sir.
Where have you been?
I've been around.
Look at him. Just look at him. See how wretched looking he is, Akpata.
What is it, Father?
He has come to tell me that you, my son, impregnated his daughter.
Father, he's lying. That can't be possible.
Yes. Yes, that you are lying.
That I'm lying?
You've come to lie against him.
Father, please. You know, you trained me not to lie. I have not lied before.
Yes.
I only did it once.
Oh!
Without making her pregnant.
Oh!
Just only once.
You see? You've heard already.
Hey! I'm finished.
You can't be finished, Mama.
I'm finished. Hey!
How are you finished?
How are gods?
Look at.
Hey! Hey, Jose, what did I hear from you?
Mama, it's just only once.
Hey! Hey, Jose, you have killed me. You have killed me. Hey! Impune. My gods.
Why me?
I don't understand.
Hey, this is not a sad news. Why be crying? This is a thing of joy, not of sadness. After all, it's not bought with money. I beg to take my leave. Long may you reign.
Hey, why would you be happy, Akpata? Sing songs of joy, Akpata. Start singing. Mary.
Hey, Jose, do you know it's a taboo in this village? Hey! It is true. Where you don't want to go, a child will take you there.
Mama, we are not going anywhere.
Hey, Jose, you did this to me. Hey, I'm finished. Hey, Jose, you did this to me.
We're not going anywhere. We're not going. I won't marry that girl. And besides, I have somebody in mind that I want to marry. Father, please, you made the law. You can also change it.
Shut up, Jose. You better go. Do you know what you just done? It's a taboo in this village.
Father, I don't have anything to do with that. I have somebody in mind that I want to marry.
If you really love that girl that you say you want to marry, as you said, why? Why did you involve yourself in this mess? Hey, Jose, why? Yes, it's true that I made the law. I have used this law on my people. Even if you are my son, you are not exempted. Hey, Jose, it's okay. We are in this palace together. We are in this palace together.
Law were made by man, created by man. But isn't that a crime to say the truth? Mother, please.